Practice set 1.2, question number 3. In a triangle MNP, NQ is a bisector of angle N. If MN is equal to 5, PN is equal to 7, MQ is equal to 2.5, then find QP. In a triangle PNM, ray NQ is a bisector of angle N. Bisector of angle N. Bisector of angle N मतलब कि using by property of angle bisector. In a triangle solution, in a triangle PNM, ray QN, ray NQ is a bisector of angle N. ray NQ is a bisector of angle N. अँगल बायसेक्टर दिला की या ठिकाणी लक्षात राहू द्या की प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ अँगल बायसेक्टर यूज करायची. बाय युजिंग प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ अँगल बायसेक्टर MN divided by PN, MN divided by PN is equal to MQ divided by QP, MQ divided by QP. By property of angle bisector, by property of angle bisector, MN divided by PN is equal to MQ divided by QP. Ray NQ is a bisector of angle N, means ratio of MN divided by NPN is equal to MQ divided by QP. Value of MN is equal to 5. Value of PN is equal to 7 is equal to value of MQ 2.5 divided by QP. Means divided by QP, change the sign, multiply is equal to 2.5 into divided by 7, change the sign, multiply, whole divided by, multiply 5, change the sign, divides. 25 divided by 5 means 5.0.5 is equal to 0.5 into 7 is equal to 7 into 5 means 3.5. 7 into 5 means 35. 3.5. इथे एकच स्थळांतर पॉइंट मग एकच स्थळांतर पॉइंट घेऊन टाका. QP is equal to 3.5 means length of QP is equal to 3.5. Practice set 1.2, question number 3. Measure of some angles in the figure are given. Prove that AP divided by PB is equal to AQ divided by QC. In a triangle ABC, measure of angle P is a 60 degree. Measure of angle B is a 60 degree, means angle P congruent angle Q corresponding angle, means by corresponding angle test, angle P congruent angle B, means PQ is a parallel to BC. Solution: angle APQ congruent angle ABC is 60 degree. Is 60 degree. Means segment PQ parallel to side BC by corresponding angle test for parallel line. For parallel line. Angle APQ congruent angle ABC, APQ congruent angle ABC with a transversal AP means PQ is a parallel to BC. Equation number 1. Equation number 1. In a triangle ABC, segment PQ parallel to side BC means AP divided by PQ, AP divided by PQ, sorry, AP divided by PB is equal to AQ divided by QC, AQ divided by QC by BPT, basic proportionality theorem. If segment PQ parallel to BC, then AP divided by PB is equal to AQ divided by QC by BPT, basic proportionality theorem. This is final answer. Practice set 1.2, question number 5. In a trapezium ABCD, side AB parallel side PQ parallel side DC, AB parallel PQ parallel DC. Length of AP is equal to 15, PD is equal to 12, QC is equal to 14. Find the value of BQ. Solution: side AB parallel side PQ parallel side DC, parallel side DC with transversal AD and BC means AP divided by PD, AP divided, sorry, with transversal AD and BC, BQ divided by QC, BQ divided by QC is equal to AP divided by PD, AP divided by PD by property of 3 parallel line and their transversal value of B, find the value of BQ divided by value of QC 14 is equal to value of AP 15, value of PD 12. 15 divided by 5, 15 divided by 3 means 5, 12 divided by 3 means 4. 12 divided by 3 means 4. Means BQ is equal to 5 into 5 divided by 4 into 14 is equal to 5 into 14 divided by 4. 14 divided by 2 means 7. 14 divided by 4 divided by 2 means 2. Means 35 divided by 2. 5 into 7 means 35 divided by 2. 3 divided by 2 means 1. Take carry 1. 15 divided by 2 means 7. Take carry 1. 5. Means BQ is equal to 17.5. 35 ला जर 2 न भागितलं तर बे 1 उरला 15 झाले बे 7 14 1 उरला पॉइंट दिला 10 झाले बे 5 10. Length of BQ is equal to 17.5. Practice set 1.2, question number 6. Find QP using given information in the figure. From figure, triangle PNM, value of PN is equal to 40, NM 25, MQ 14, find PQ. By using angle bisector theorem, ratio of opposite side is equal to ratio of remaining sides. Solution: in a triangle PNM, ray NQ is the bisector of angle N, means ratio of opposite side PQ divided by MQ. PQ divided by MQ is equal to PN divided by NM. PN divided by NM by property of angle bisector of triangle. By property of angle bisector of triangle. Value of PQ, find the value of PQ divided by MQ. 14 is equal to PN 40 divided by 25. Divided by 25. 40 divided by 5 means 8. 25 divided by 5 means 5. Means PQ is equal to 8 divided by 5 into 14. 8 divided by 5 into 14 is equal to 8 into 14 divided by 5. 14 into 8 means 112 divided by 5. 11 divided by 5 means 2. Take carry 1. 12. 12 divided by 5 means 2. Point 20. 20 divided by 5 means 4. 5 जर 11ला भागितलं तर 5 दोन्ही 10 1 वरला 12 झाले 5 दोन्ही 10 2 उरले पॉइंट दिला 20 झाला 5 चौक 20 means value of PQ is equal to 22.4.